whenever you out there and you see a number, that number specifically has each digit that makes up that number has a place value associated with them. So today what we're gonna do is look at each digit of a number and say what place value is associated with each one of the digits. So now what we have here is 164,285. So we're gonna see what place value is associated with them. So the way they do this is they do this from right to left. You start with the last digit, which is 5 in this case, and you go all the way to 10 to 1. So what we're gonna do here is gonna call this one the one's place value. And think about, you have a 1 here. So now if you start with a 1, put the 1 right here. If we start with a 1, so what we're gonna do is add zeros, and then we're gonna call each consecutive digit that place value. So this is the tens. So if I add a 0, this is the tens place value. If I had another 0, this is gonna be the hundreds place value. If I had another 0, it's gonna be the thousands place value. If I had another 0, this is gonna be the 10,000s place value. And if I add another 0, this is gonna be the 100,000s place value. And if we had more, you would know how to do it. So now we have a 5. So what position is this? It's at the ones place value. 6 is what? It's at the 10,000s place value. And we also have 1. 1 is at the 100,000s place value. 1 is at the 100,000s place value. And then 8 is right here at the tens place value. And then 2 is at the 100s place value. So the way that works is you start with 1, you add a 0, and you keep counting. Tens place value, 100s place value, thousands place value, 10,000s place value, 100,000s place value, 100,000. So this one right here is at 100,000s place value. And this is how you find the place value of each one of those digits that makes up 164,285. Notice this is how you're able to read this too. 100s place value, so that means this is going to be 100s. 64,000s, you have 6 of the 10,000s, that give you 60,000. You have 4 of the 1,000s, that give you 4,000. You got 2 of the 100,000s, that give you 200. 2 of the hundreds, that give you 200s. You have 8 of the 10s, that give you 10. You have 8 of the 10s in the tens position. You have 8 of them, and you have 5 in the ones position. That gives you 5. So if you add all of those, you're gonna get 164,285. And that's it.